three most important things. First, don't be overconfident. Hello, I am Andrea Calabresi, a fine art printer, an artist photographer and a teacher. I started taking pictures in 1977 and I started printing in the darkroom in 1980. So meanwhile, I gained a little experience. I was thinking about you and I was thinking, what are the three most important things you say about photography? Well, especially film photography. Well, the first thing, that's for general photography, is not to be overconfident. I see beginners, amateurs, that when there is something interesting, they take one picture, two pictures, three. And then we see a professional in the same situation taking an entire roll or many more pictures. So that's why the professional knows that photography is different from vision, that the subject is not an image. So he experiments, he tries different things to make an interesting image, not just a shot of something interesting. An interesting image is something more complex than just a subject. So my invitation is to experiment. Take your time, take different shots, different angles, and also technically do some bracketing, change lenses, experiment. If you thought what I'm saying is interesting, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, TikTok and my Facebook group. The second important thing is exposure. And you say, you may be accustomed to digital photography and their exposure in auto mode works. Can be perfected, but it works. In film photography, it is very different because the meter doesn't talk to the film, there is no communication. So exposure must be done properly, and it may be a little tricky or difficult. We will have many more videos talking about exposure, and but meanwhile remember, it is a very important thing. Third thing in film photography is film development. You say, why film development? It is a standard thing. No, okay, film development is not a standard thing, especially in black and white. Film development in black and white is the second most important thing. It is part of your expression. It's not only a matter of technique. Film development must be adjusted to your tastes, your needs and the results you want. In color is a little bit different. It is more standard since the chemicals are all the same, but still the process can be modified or customized to your specific needs. So even there, remember, processing is very important. Film development is very important. So these were the three most important things. First, don't be overconfident. Second, exposure. Exposure is not only technique, it's also expression. Third, field development. Again, it's not only technique, it's not standard, it's also your expression, and it must be adjusted to your need. Goodbye, see you in the next video, and don't forget the most important thing of all. Don't trust your cameras, don't trust your tools, use your brain.